Is your Chrysler 200 key fob not working? It likely needs a new CR2032 battery. This video shows you how to easily replace it yourself, saving time and money compared to dealership costs. This guide is specifically for 2015-2017 Chrysler 200 models. Changing your key fob battery is beginner-friendly and should take less than 5 minutes. The 2015-2017 Chrysler 200 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is a standard coin cell battery that provides 3 volts of power. It's important to use the correct CR2032 battery type to ensure proper functionality of your key fob. Using the wrong battery can cause issues with range or operation. You can find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, retailers like Walmart or Target, and online retailers such as Amazon. They're widely available and inexpensive. Locate the seam on the back or side of the key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as you could damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation, with the positive side up before removing it. Clean the battery contacts with a lint-free cloth if you see any corrosion. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Align the two halves of the key fob and gently snap them back together until they are securely closed. Test the key fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons to ensure they function correctly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. This is a common issue that can occur due to synchronization problems. One common method is cycling the ignition key. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this process while pressing the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously. Another method is using the onboard computer. Access the vehicle's settings menu through the dashboard display. Navigate to the key programming section and follow the on-screen prompts to synchronize the fob. After reprogramming, test the key fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock the doors. If the fob still doesn't work, there may be a deeper electrical issue requiring professional assistance. Always dispose of old batteries responsibly. Recycle them at local electronics recycling centers to reduce environmental impact and prevent e-waste buildup. Avoid using metal tools that could scratch the circuit board. Use plastic tools or coins to pry open the fob safely and prevent damage to internal components. Battery life is typically 1 to 2 years, but frequent use or extreme temperatures can shorten it. In cold climates or with heavy daily usage, you may need to replace it sooner. If you encounter issues during replacement, consult a professional to avoid potential damage. Incorrect handling can void warranties or require costly repairs. Remember, corrosion is a common issue with these fobs, especially in humid areas. If your fob stops working, check for moisture ingress and ensure the rubber gasket is intact.